Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome sa ating channel. At bago tayo magpatuloy, paghihingi ng isang like and subscribe. At huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Okay, so our topic is about Pythagorean theorem and its converse. Okay, so ang competency natin dito, we have to apply the Pythagorean theorem in finding the missing side of a right triangle and its converse in classifying triangles. So try to think about this. A new flat screen TV has a width of 40 inches and the height of 30 inches. Okay? So the box label says the TV is 50 inches. Question, is the label correct? Okay, we will check mamaya. Okay? So look at the triangle. So what kind of triangle is this? How can we find the length of the diagonal or missing side if we only knew the other two sides? Okay? So this is a right triangle. So a right triangle with one angle equal to 90 degree. This one. Okay? So ang sides niya, hypotenuse, the side of the right angle. Okay? The side opposite the right angle. So ito yung opposite ng right angle, yun ang longest side. So yun ang hypotenuse. Ayan. So yung legs, the two sides forming the right angle. So nag-form ng dalawang angle or dalawang right angle. Yun ang legs. Ayan. So the Pythagorean theorem, for any right triangle, the sum of the square of the lengths of the legs equals the square of the length of the hypotenuse. Okay, so this is the Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So where A and B are legs and C is the hypotenuse. So yan ang A, yan ang B. Okay? Yun ang legs, di ba? A at saka B. Yung hypotenuse is C. Okay, so Pythagorean theorem in finding the missing side of a triangle. Example number 1. Find the hypotenuse of a right triangle with legs 40 and 30 inches. So A is 40 and 30 inches. Yung B. So we will find the hypotenuse, yung C. Okay, solution tayo. So ang formula natin, A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So ano natin yan, substitute natin yung value ng A squared or yung A is 40, then squared plus yung value ng B, 30 squared equals C squared. Hindi natin alam yan. So equals C squared, i-transpose na agad natin yan. So that is 40 squared plus 30 squared. Okay, transpose natin yan. So direct na yan. Okay. So, we have to simplify. C squared equals, simplify natin yung 40 times 40 or multiply by itself. That is 1/6 plus 30 times 30 is 900. Then, add natin yan. So, C squared equals 25. Okay, 25. Then, C squared. So, we have to square both sides. Yan. Then, cancel natin yung squared at saka yung square. Yung square root, yung radical sign, cancel natin yan. So, naiwan is C na lang. Then, kunin natin yung square root of 25. Okay? So, C is equal to 50. So, thus, the length of the hypotenuse is 50 inches. So, yung question kanina, is the label correct? Yes. Okay? So, example number 2. A rescue worker places in 30-meter ladder. Okay, dinatabunan siya. So, the foot of the ladder is 5 meters from the wall. How high up the wall does the ladder reach? Okay, tingnan natin yung figure. So, yun ang Ang hypotenuse natin, yung 13M. Okay? Tapos, ang foot ladder is 5M from the wall. Okay? So, how high? Yan, ang B. Yun ang hinahanap natin dito or hanapin natin. So, A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So, we will find the B o yung high o yung height. Okay? So, ang A natin is 5M or 5 squared. Okay? 5 tapos yung square tapos plus B squared. Okay? Equals yung value ng C is 13. So, 13C. 13 squared. Simplify natin yan. O i-transpose muna natin yan si B squared. Yung 5 squared, i-transpose natin sa right side. So, magiging equals 13 squared minus 5 squared. Okay? So, B squared equals, simplify natin yung 13 squared, pwede rin, 169. Tapos, minus 25. So, B squared equals, minus natin yan, 169 minus 25. So, that is 144. Then, square both sides. Or, pwede i-diretso. So, B is equal to square root of 144. Okay? B is 12. So, the ladder reaches 12 meters up the wall. So, 12 meters yan. Another example, an airplane flies 26 kilometers south, then turns east. Okay? Tabunan kasi yan. To the airport. The direct distance from the starting point to the airport is 30 kilometers. How far did the airplane travel? Okay? So, yung figure natin. So, ang B is 26 kilometer south. Then, ang hypotenuse natin dito is 30. The direct distance from the starting point to the airport is 30 kilometer. Okay, so hanapin naman natin yung A. Okay? So, same formula. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So, A squared unknown plus B squared, yung 26 square, equals C is 30 square. Then A squared, so equals 30 squared. I-transpose natin si 26 squared sa right, magiging negative. So, 30 squared minus 26 squared. So, A squared equals, simplify natin yan, 30 by 30, 900. So, minus 26 by 26, so that is 676. Subtract natin yan, A squared equals 900 minus 676 is 224. Then, i-square natin both sides, or naiwan nito, A is the square, equals the square root of 224 is approximately 14.97. Okay? Or, the airplane flew about 15 kilometer north. Okay, so yun ang exercises natin dito. So, in one whole sheet of paper. At hanggang dito na lang yung topic natin. At again, sa hindi pa nakasubscribe, paki-subscribe na lang at huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. At paki-follow na rin sa ating Facebook page, Sir Ariel Math Review. Okay, so maraming salamat and God bless. Bye-bye.